I was born and raised in New Orleans, Louisiana, and after Hurricane Katrina, my family moved to Houston, Texas, and at that point, we had lost everything. We lost our home, and it was a really difficult time. And when I got to Houston, I met one of my closest friends who is a Cambodian person, and he introduced me to the culture and taught me the language, and from there I just kind of fell in love with the idea of living in Cambodia and meeting the people. I'm leaving my job that I have in the States to work as a teacher in Cambodia, which I will be making a fourth of what I make in America, so that will be a little bit risky on the financial side. And I'm leaving friends behind, leaving my brother behind, but I'm excited to just kind of take that chance right now to live in Cambodia. I'm excited about Phnom Penh. I'm a city girl coming from New Orleans and living close to New York City. I really like the idea of being in a city, but Phnom Penh also has beautiful nature, gorgeous sunsets. So my expectations, I know that it is cheaper than living in America, but there are two extremes. It could be very, very luxurious, and it also could not be.
What is it that you're looking for in the new place?
At least 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. If there is like a bathtub situation, that would be really appreciated.
They're not super common.
Yeah. I also have like a vlogging channel, so if I could have some natural light in the house while I'm like filming and everything.
Bit of a home studio.
Yeah,
room.
possibly teaching English in my bedroom. When it comes to like the kitchen area, if I could have some like countertop space, because I love to cook, and a lot of times I'm filming what I'm cooking too, so if I could have some space to kind of do that, that would be really nice.
Any ideas about where in the city you want to live?
I've been doing some research, maybe like BKK, but not completely sure, so hopefully you can guide me.
And for all these things, what's your price range?
So I'm looking to spend about $400 a month. The only way that I would go above that is if it really just kind of blew my mind. I could go up to about $450, but that's my max.
Zaria is looking for a lot of things, and she's also kind of squeezing the price side of things. So my strategy is to try to show her some of those things she really wants, test the limit with Azaria. The mansion is a great fit for Azaria, but maybe a little bit outside of what she wants to spend. But it's a really luxurious 2-bedroom. It's even got 2 baths, which is gonna blow her mind, I think. Busy street, as you can see, but we are a very downtown location.
Yeah, it's very busy, kind of noisy on this street. But it's a tall building, it's nice.
2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, just like you want, lots of space.
Yeah.
Very modern, lots of aircon.
Yes.
You've also got a shared rooftop pool and gym.
Oh wow, all of that
residents.
within my price range?
Everything. This place is actually $450 per month.
Ah, okay. Like I said earlier, $450 is that like ultimate max. You have to totally wow me to go there.
Yeah, I think this place will.
I feel like maybe he's not totally respecting my price point, but he does see kind of where I want to go and how the kind of lifestyle that I would like to live here in Phnom Penh.
Come on through.
Oh my goodness, look at this lighting. And the floors is gorgeous, my gosh. So this is the living space, right?
It is, it is.
Yeah.
Coming into your main bedroom here.
Okay.
And I've got a little surprise for you.
Oh, a surprise in the
there.
main bedroom? Let's
Surprise
see.
number 1.
Ooh, there's a bathtub. Oh my gosh.
Got the bathtub.
Wow, man, this is really, really nice. And I love this sink here. It's so modern. Oh, really, really nice. Look at this view.
Yeah, nice
is
views.
amazing.
You wake up to in the morning.
Oh, wow. And you can see the pool right here. I could do a little work here. I don't have to get a desk or anything. That's nice. So this is the 2nd bedroom.
Yeah, it's a nice big one.
It comes with 2 of these big TVs.
Yeah, great, right?
Wow, this is really nice.
And there's actually one more surprise in here.
Okay, let's see what you do.
Bit of a trapdoor here.
Okay, so there are 2 bathtubs.
Yeah.
What? I know I told James that it would have to totally wow me for me to go over my price that I wanted to spend, but it would be really nice to live here in Phnom Penh. Okay. Man, I really like this place. And look at this dining room table. All of this comes with it?
Everything's included here.
All right, let me think about it.
And how about the
And
kitchen?
then-
Have a look.
Okay, so The kitchen is not what I was expecting. I do a lot of cooking on my channel, like my vlogging channel, so I was hoping to have a little bit more countertop space to be able to like chop and, you know, set up everything. So that's lacking a little bit, yeah. And I like it, honestly. There's a lot. You're fulfilling a lot of the things that I want in a place, in this place. It's nice. I definitely have to think about it. I don't know if right now in my life this is the place for me, even though it's beautiful and like a whole mansion. I think it might be a little bit too much for me. Yeah.
Okay. My strategy with this place is I understand Azaria's position as a new expat coming into town. She's trying to limit her costs and find her feet. This is a really special prize that she's not going to get anywhere else. Here we are.
It doesn't look like this place is done yet.
Some of the units below the 9th floor are still being completed, so we're going to have a little bit of construction noise, and the rest of the construction is going to be finished in 2 months.
Okay.
But what that means for you is a really, really good prize for a limited time only for $300.
Okay.
One more thing, it's actually only a 1-bedroom we're looking at.
Ah, I guess we can go inside and hopefully it looks better inside than it does out here. Let's go. Oh, wow. This is really nice.
Right, nice bright space.
It's extremely bright and marbling. I love this.
Yeah, great big kitchen, right?
I think I could definitely go for a little bit more countertop space. I do like to entertain, so it might just be me and one other person here. Can we?
Yeah.
Is there room for 3? I don't know. I really feel like I want a bigger space, especially as I'm making new friends and wanting to invite them over. It's really hard in this little tiny space. But when I think of the money, I really could save a lot in just a short amount of time.
Come and check out the main bedroom.
Okay. Okay. The bedroom is really nice. It's very cozy. Kind of small. That's the only thing.
And being a smaller space too, it's gonna be very cool in here.
Yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. Definitely. I really like it. This might be a saving grace, especially thinking about the price again. Yeah.
I thought that maybe Azaria might have this reaction to this place, but there is a method to my madness. This place is just $300 a month. This could make Azaria's startup in Phnom Penh very painless.
Okay, so, oh, this is nice. It's very modern, like everything. And I really like this. I don't know, something about me with a really nice sink bowl is nice. Everything's new. Oh, and the rainfall shower. Really cute.
Right?
Yeah. You've given me so much to think about. Ah, James, why'd you do this to me?
So what do you think of the place?
When we pulled up here, with all that construction, it didn't really look like it was complete. I had no idea what you were thinking about. But, I mean, I think I see where you were going, especially with being new here. There's so much that I could save if this was the route that I do plan to go. But this apartment is so tiny, I really feel like I can just touch each wall just from right here.
After you've stayed here for 6 months, think how much you could save.
Right.
2-bedroom at $400 a month is possible. If she's willing to live in older places with a few imperfections, we might be able to get close to that. So the next place we're going to is in a really quiet, leafy, suburban neighborhood, actually very close to the Russian market.
Okay, I do want to be close to a market.
This is a family-owned, detached villa. So this can help Azaria to save some costs. It's also a very spacious, older building, and I think she's going to like that community vibe. All right.
Okay.
So here's the place.
Yeah.
It's a 2-bedroom villa-style apartment, and it's very spacious.
Okay.
Yeah. But as you can see, it is a little bit older.
Yeah, I do see it's a little bit older.
But we have got a great price.
Okay.
This place is $350 per month.
Okay, that's really good. That's below what I wanted to spend.
Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
And here we are.
Okay. Oh, wow. Okay.
Spacious, right?
It is. This one has really high ceilings and great lighting. I really love these floors. Wow.
Yep. It's a huge kitchen, right?
So I could be chopping here, and then maybe I could set up a camera and do all of my filming here. But these cabinets are kind of old, I will say.
But plenty of space, as you can see.
Now look at these cute little this couch and the chair. This is cute.
With the price here, that you got a little bit of room to maybe improve the place over time.
Yeah, definitely. Can I go in there? See what's in there?
A main bedroom.
Main bedroom, okay. I could do a lot with this, definitely.
Do you like the wallpaper?
Interesting. I mean, it's an interesting color. I probably wouldn't have chosen it myself, but it does kind of give a little Victorian or like...
Yeah, and it's a nice sort of relaxing color for your room to sleep.
European vibe, yeah. But there is a lot of sunlight in this room, so I do like that.
Nice workspace here, right?
Yes, I could be like vlogging here or like teaching English here and having the light come in. I think this is kind of the idea I was looking for.
Come on through to the bathroom.
Okay, let's see the bathroom. All right, this is kind of like a typical wet room situation.
Yeah, we have a simpler bathroom.
Yeah.
But quite functional,
Yeah.
easy to clean.
Yeah.
All right, here we are. So here's your little guest bedroom.
Okay, yes. I mean, this is a really good size room for like a second room. I like the natural lighting in here. This could really even double as a filming space, or I could work in here too. When I first walked in, I did notice the difference of how this one is a little bit older. But I do feel like there's some character to this place for some reason. I feel like I could bring a little bit of my own style into this space.
You could imagine having guests here.
Yes.
And have plenty of space to have them around.
Right.
Spare bed.
I am nervous that I may not fully be getting exactly what I expected.
From what I can see about what Azaria is looking for, I think finally she's going to have to compromise a little bit to hit her price range. So let's talk about the mansion.
Okay. Honestly, I really think the mansion was so beautiful. Really amazing amenities also with the building. I do like the idea of living there. I really do. I could see it. Oh my goodness, look at this lighting. This is gorgeous, my gosh. There's a bathtub. Oh my gosh.
Got the bathtub.
Wow. But it would be a little bit of a change in my lifestyle.
Yeah, it's a little bit outside what you want to spend.
But I really, really like it.
Is the starter pad still in the running?
Honestly, I don't think so. I like the idea of saving the money, but I really need that extra space. It's not enough space for me for what I want.
Okay, starter home's off the list.
Yes.
How are you feeling about the villa home?
We pulled up and I thought the building was a little bit older because there was no bathtub and a lot of the finishings, like the cabinets, were older.
This is an older apartment, but plenty of space, as you can see.
This is kind of like a typical wet room situation.
Yeah, we have a simpler bathroom. The bathrooms are always a little bit of a negative side for the more traditional homes, but you do see on the flip side how much more space you can get.
That's true.
It'll be a real benefit for you, I think.
They both have things that I really want. The mansion, it has everything I want, honestly. It has 2 bathtubs, it has beautiful high ceilings, a lot of space, those 2 bedrooms.
It is a great location. You're right up in the city in the mansion.
Then the villa home, that one, it doesn't have everything I want, but it does have the price. It has exactly what I want to spend, even less than what I want to spend. So I love the space, I love the high ceilings. So I think at this time in my life, I'm going to go with the villa home.
I think it's a great choice, yeah.
I am loving it so much in Cambodia. Like, I just love being here. There is a sense of chaos a little bit in the streets. It's like a buzz, so I've been enjoying that. As you all can see, I am settled into my new apartment in Phnom Penh. Life has been great in my new house. I really love all of the space. I've been able to work in different areas and vlog. It's been amazing.